video I want to look at a couple of the features of the Behringer Pro-One, namely the sequencer and the arpeggiator. The sequencer is a 2-channel 64-note sequencer, and the arpeggiator is touted by Behringer as having 3 modes, which are up, down, up, and off. Now I'm not sure if off is strictly a mode. To use the arpeggiator, you just hold down whichever notes you want on the keyboard. Up, up, down. Although the arpeggiator doesn't hold, it can be held using the record switch on the sequencer. While the arp is held, you can add notes to it, but they won't latch on. To use the sequencer, make sure that the sequencer is always switched off and switch to record. Select which sequence you want to record to, either 1 or 2, and then input notes. Add rests by flipping between record and play. When you finish recording, switch to off, switch to play, and then select your sequence. Tempo is controlled via the LFO switch. Also responds to master clock coming from MIDI, currently emanating from an MX1 through the G-Step Pro. It doesn't accept rest data from MIDI keyboards, although it will allow the sequence to be transposed by the keyboard.